How to change your bio on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your bio on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and then let's go back, and the first thing we're gonna do is click on your profile and then go down and click settings and then click account and profile, and now click this one, your profile. And now all you need to do is just click here about me and type here anything you want, and then just click this, it save changes, and as you see the bio has been updated. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.